This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, matching drive types, and a reliable controller. Once done, make sure you back up any data that might be overwritten. You then open the storage management utility with administrative privileges and identify each target disk by model and ID so you won't select the wrong device. Next, clear or mark the drives for pooling and prepare any metadata options. This immediate action prevents errors and accelerates the pool creation step. You now create the pool by selecting the prepared disks and the desired layout, RAID, mirror, or single disk pooling depending on your redundancy needs. Once selected, configure stripe size and cache parameters to match workload characteristics. Smaller stripes for random I/O, larger for sequential transfers. You set redundancy and metadata placement, then apply the configuration. As soon as initialization begins, watch the progress and system logs so you can catch failed disk adds or sync errors before they escalate into data loss. You finalize by formatting the new pool and creating volumes or file systems, then assign mount points or network exports for clients. Once mounted, run integrity checks and targeted performance tests to confirm expected throughput and latency. Adjust cache settings or alignment if performance deviates. If the initialization reports errors or degraded state, stop non-essential I/O, inspect smart data, replace any failed drive, and resync the pool. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.